See you again.
Okay.
So the good meeting again.
Very good. It went on long.
Did you want to let you
I'm
go?
feeling bad that I got late for this meeting, but
5 minutes in Israel is really, it's still okay.
no, but it was inappropriate, but I couldn't walk.
Mr. Minister,
Excellency, what an honor to meet you.
how are we treating you?
Outstanding.
Great.
It's been a memorable trip.
Thank you. Manchma.
It's
I think they want a nice picture.
I've had a most memorable trip. Something I've been looking forward for a long time.
We will say a few. Welcome, Minister Minister. Welcome, dear Minister. We are very honored to have you in Israel. As the President of Israel, I must tell you that the impact of India and the affection towards India and Israel is outstanding. And I also had the pleasure and honor of meeting your Prime Minister a couple of times in recent years, and I hope to be able to meet your President soon. I think that the relations are excellent, but we can even upgrade them more, and I'm especially happy that you're here to have signed an MOU, which is so important on the economic level between the nations. So all I can say is now the sky's the limit. We have to work hard on it, but I think we are like-minded in so many things. So welcome and shalom, dear friend.
Thank you very much, Excellency Mr. President. Shalom. It's truly an honor and a childhood dream coming true that I've wished to visit Israel. It's been a wonderful meeting with all your colleagues from your cabinet.
Yes.
It has been a delight to visit historical sites, the West Wall, the City of David. I've enjoyed every single moment of my visit to Israel, the hospitality of the people of Israel, the affection that the people of Israel, the government of Israel have shown is memorable. And I do believe we have two strategic partners, two friends who can work together, whose economies complement each other, and having signed the terms of reference for a potential free trade agreement between Israel and India, I see tremendous possibilities for the innovation that Israel is famous for, coupled with the talent and skill and scale of India.
Absolutely.
Can become a force multiplier for global good. Wonderful meeting you, Honorable President. I'm grateful to you for your time, and I bring with me the greetings of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Great friend.
I bring with me the warmth of the friendship between the people of India with the people of Israel, and I'm sure this visit will lay the groundwork for much stronger economic ties between the two countries.